Okay, so you're looking at a 2016 Harley-Davidson Limited. This bike has a lot of extras. It's got LEDs the whole way around, including the turn signals, a front fender LED light, the daymakers. It's got cruising pegs. It's got the heated grips. It's got the rider's backrest. And it has some really nice Harley-Davidson accents on the covers, including the primary, the fuel tank lid, LEDs in the back, extra LED lights on the bags. It's got Screamin' Eagle exhaust. This motorcycle has just over 10,000 miles on it, and it can only be found here at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.